Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Marlon and today I want to do a short video and talk to you guys about this case, the Ulanzi GoPro vlogging case, which in my opinion is a must-have for all GoPro vloggers. All right, so let's get right into this. All right guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, please take a look around, check out my content, see if you like that. And hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell that we get notified every time I upload. All right, so again, I have the Ulanzi GoPro vlogging case here. I picked this up about 2 weeks or so. I actually ordered it back in February through this website called the Pro Nomad. And I don't recommend you order through them because it took a little over 30 days for it to get to me. And it is available on Amazon, so you can get it a lot faster through Amazon. It just happens to be that I found out about this through the Pro Nomad website, and I checked Amazon back then and it wasn't available for sale on Amazon. So just keep that in mind. If you're gonna order it, I recommend you guys use the Amazon website. Anyhow, this is a very lightweight plastic, high quality plastic. Actually, it's made out of ABS material, very lightweight. In my opinion, it is almost perfect, but I'll tell you what I don't like about it in just a moment. This case has all the pre-cuts already for you to go. At the top right here, you'll see the record button. You can access it there. On the side, the power button. On the front, the screen and the lens, obviously. And on the back, you have your sliding door, which you just gotta press in and it slides off. It is a plastic door as well. It's very easy to mount or put your camera in there. Just gotta make sure you take off your door on the GoPro so that way you have access to the ports, which are on the side here, as you can see there, and you just plug that in there. The main feature of this case, in my opinion, obviously is a GoPro vlogging case. Everybody that vlogs with a GoPro knows that it's a pain in the butt because of the GoPro adapter, this absurd size adapter that GoPro makes for their cameras to work with microphones. So you just slide that through there like so, and you push it in, and that adapter is tucked away nice and neat, no rattling, no noise, which is very, very convenient when it comes to run and gun shooting and vlogging with the GoPro. You just have to plug it right, plug it in there. Your microphone port is on this side, and I have been using a lot the Saramonic SR-XM1. I made a video on this. I'll put the link up here so you guys can check it out because I do appreciate the compactness of this versus the Rode Video Micro up top, which, by the way, up top you have a cold shoe mount. It brings this adapter and it kind of elevates it a little bit more, and that helps because when you're shooting with the GoPro, or excuse me, with the Rode Video Micro, you have the dead cat on it, and sometimes that'll be in the frame of the your shot. Just make sure that when you're shooting in super view is when I found that I could see it the most. This is 1080p super view, and as you can see there, barely you can see the dead cat in the frame. I do have it pinched on the back here, raising the mic as much as I can possibly do it, and the dead cat still comes in the frame. So make sure that you pull that cable on the back and tuck it into the groove of the Rode Video Micro on the screw part, and it kind of elevated a little bit, that way it's out of the frame. I did some test shots with this case in linear mode and in wide mode, and I could not see the dead cat when using the Rode Video Micro, so just keep that in mind. But aside from that, guys, very, very convenient for vloggers or vlogging with the GoPro. I enjoy vlogging with this camera quite often, so if you watch any of my previous videos, I have some vlogs with the GoPro. My main issue was that I had to strap the adapter with a Velcro mount or Velcro strap on my Forever Cam cage, which this is a really good cage, by the way. This is the Forever Cam cage, but you just don't have anywhere to tuck in that adapter nice and neat, so it's out of your way. With this one, as you can see, you can just slide that in there and that's taken care of. However, the only thing that I don't like that I could find, it's not that I don't like the case, I love this setup, is that I can't adapt any filters or ND filters to the front with this case. Hopefully they'll develop the square type that'll fit this particular case, because with the Forever Cam I could use any 52mm thread filter in the front there, and I like to use a variable ND when I'm shooting in very, very bright daylight. Aside from that, like I said, everything's ready to go, pre-cut, pre-made, very easy to just slide your camera in there and start shooting. If you have any questions, guys, just let me know down in the comments. I will try to help and answer them as best as I can. And I just wanted to show you this case. If you're not aware of it, it's I think it's about $15.99 on Amazon right now. I'm gonna put the links to all of my GoPro equipment down below. And I have to tell you guys, they are affiliate links. So just, know that if you use that link, it will help me out, give me a little kickback, but it won't cost any additional money to you. So I just want to put that out there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check me out on Instagram right here. And I will see you in the next one, all right? Peace.